I know plenty about chronic dry eye. My doctor explained that it's a condition where my eyes don't make enough tears, and that the eye drops I've been using couldn't help increase tear production. He gave me a prescription for Restasis. It's the only eye drop that helps your eyes increase tear production with continued use.
Talk to your eye doctor today to find out if Restasis is right for you. Go to Restasis16.com or call 1-866-271-6258 to get this free information kit. Restasis helps increase your natural ability to produce tears, which may be suppressed by inflammation due to chronic dry eye. It should not be used by patients with
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, northern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, until 2 p.m. At 1:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Platteville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing damage over northern Lafayette County. This is a destructive storm for northern Lafayette County. Hazard: wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: automated weather equipment. At 1:05 p.m., 114 miles per hour wind gusts were recorded in Weota. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Darlington, Belmont, Argyle, Summers, Weota, Lamont, Hollandale, Leslie, Platte Mounts, Woodford, and Yellowstone Lake Park. People attending the Lafayette County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. Take cover immediately. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Iowa and Lafayette.
Your cereal bowl, new SpongeBob SquarePants cereal. It's SpongeBob, Patrick, and pineapple marshmallows. It's part of a complete breakfast. And look for these other great SpongeBob products. SpongeBob!